Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. In this lecture, we will learn something about present perfect continuous tense. Let's start. Open your grammar and composition, page number 83. Look at the solved examples carefully and try to understand. Present perfect continuous tense, identification in English. It is used to express a continued action that started in past and is continued until now. There will be a time reference such as since 1980, for 3 hours, etc., from which the action has been started. Such time reference or sense of time reference is the identity of present perfect continuous tense, because it tells that action has started from particular time in past. For example, he has been reading in this school since 2005. So it means that he has started his education in this school in 2005 and he is studying in this school till now. Very important point to remember here, if there is no sense of time reference, then it is not present perfect continuous tense, because there is no hint about the time of action when it started in past, and it seems just an ongoing action at present time which resembles present continuous tense. So the reference of time differentiates between present perfect continuous tense and present continuous tense. Now we will look at the identification in Urdu. इसके फिक्रों के आखिर में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह आता है, लेकिन वक्त का हवाला ज़रूर होता है, जैसे 4 घंटे से, 5 दिन से, सुबह से। मसलन वो 4 घंटे से पढ़ रहे हैं, वो सुबह से फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. First form of verb plus ing is used in this tense, and helping verb has been is used with he, she, it, and proper noun, and have been is used with I, we, you, they, plural, etc. Look at the form of verb and helping verb carefully. Now we will talk about the difference between since and for, which is the time reference in this tense. We will use for 10 minutes, 8 hours, 5 days, 6 months, 3 years, 2 centuries. We will use since with 8 o'clock, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, February, March, April 1982, since I left school, since the end of last century. Now the structure of sentence. Positive sentences. The formula start with subject plus helping verb plus object and plus time references, I mean for and since. Subject plus has been or have been plus verb 1, first form of verb, plus ing plus object plus time reference. So the examples of positive sentences are here. I have been studying since 3 o'clock. He has been watering the plants for 2 hours. She has been reading since morning. Now the negative sentences: subject plus has or have plus not plus verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Time references are since or for. Examples of these sentences are here. I have not been studying since 3 o'clock. She has not been reading since morning. Lastly, we will look at interrogative sentences. The structure is here. Has or have will be at the start of sentence, then subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Examples of interrogative sentences are here. Have I been studying since 3 o'clock? Has she been reading since morning? Has he been watering the plants for 2 hours? Let's see some other examples. You have been teaching in this school since 2010. He has not been watching TV for 2 hours. It has been raining since morning. Has he been making a noise for 2 hours? So dear students, your homework is that you have to take 5 sentences from each exercise from your grammar and composition and translate those Urdu sentences into English on your homework copies. Bye for now. See you next, inshallah.